Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Swing channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower. This flower is very easy to make. For this flower I am taking 1-inch ribbon. We are making this flower with 8 petals. We are taking 8 ribbon pieces where each piece having the width 2.5 cm and length 6.5 cm. From this take 1 ribbon piece. Give respective folds as shown in the video. Now to secure this fold, give a heat touch up as shown here by holding with the tweezer. In middle of the petal, give a bend as shown here and fold it. Now hold the fold with the tweezer as shown here and give a cross cut. Join that cross cut by giving heat touch up. Now one petal is ready. Similarly do the same process for other petals like this. Now all the petals are ready. Take the needle along with thread. Now join all the petals as shown here. This flower is unique. You can use this flower for hair accessories and brooch works, etc. As per your wish, you can use it. After inserting all the petals, gather all the petals at one place and give a secure knot and remove the extra thread. Now adjust all the petals in proper position for better look. Place the ornamental stone in the middle of the flower. If you like our video, please like it. Share it to your friends, those who are interested in crafts. For more details, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.